Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to color grade videos in CapCut step by step. So if you want your videos to look more cinematic, vibrant, or professional for TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, yeah, this guide will help you improve your video quality really fast. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Then import the video clip you want to color grade. Now select your clip on the timeline and open the Adjust menu. This is where all the color grading tools are located. Start by adjusting the brightness and contrast. So increase contrast slightly to make the video pop more, and balance the brightness so details stay visible. When editing several clips together, try to keep the colors consistent between scenes. Matching tones makes the whole video feel smoother and more professional. Once your color grading looks good, export the video in the highest quality available. H.264 and 1080p usually work perfectly for social media uploads, and that's basically how to color grade in CapCut from start to finish. After a little practice, your videos will start looking way more cinematic, clean, and professional.